Counting and verification of ornaments in Puri Jagannath Temple's Ratna Bhandar will begin between 12:09 pm and 1:45 pm on March 25. Sources said the process will be recorded using videography, photography and 3D mapping to ensure transparency in the sacred inventory exercise. A severed human leg was recovered from a sewage tank in the area under the jurisdiction of Sector 15 Police Station in Rourkela. The leg was seized and sent for forensic examination. Officials have confirmed that an investigation is underway to determine the identity of the victim. Eid ul-Fitr, the festival marking the end of the holy month of Ramadan, was celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion across India. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several other leaders have extended greetings to the people on the occasion. President Draupadi Murmu performed the 21-kilometer Govardhan Parvat Parikrama in a golf cart, becoming the first president to visit the sacred town. The president also offered prayers at Danghati Temple. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has revealed the schedule for India's upcoming two-match T20 series against Ireland. The World Cup champions will tour Ireland in June for a couple of T20s to be played on June 26 and 28 in Belfast. The Indian team will face Afghanistan in a one-off test match followed by a three-match ODI series after IPL 2026. WhatsApp has been asked to block fraudulent device IDs, retain user data of deleted accounts and introduce new safety features for identification of scams and AI content. The Meta-owned social media giant has been given 30 days by the IDC to furnish a proposal regarding these technical and safety upgrades. Iran's Natanz nuclear enrichment facility was hit in an airstrike on Saturday, Mizan news agency reported, adding there was no radiation leakage. The site, Iran's main enrichment hub, was earlier struck in the first week, with the UN nuclear watchdog saying no radiological impact was expected. Dhurandhar 2, The Revenge, earned 96.76 crore net in India on day 2 after 240 crore plus global opening. Worldwide collections have crossed 330 crore. The Hindi version led earnings, while Tamil and Telugu versions released today after delays due to technical issues. Kolkata Knight Riders pacer Akashdeep has been ruled out of IPL 2026. Bought for 1 crore, he has not yet reported to the BCCI Centre of Excellence in Bengaluru for rehab. A franchisee official confirmed his unavailability, dealing another blow to KKR's pace attack.